Student can get Microsoft 365 and LinkedIn Premium free for 12 months. If you are a student looking for productivity tools and LinkedIn Premium benefit, then this video is for you. I'll show you how to get and claim Microsoft 365 Premium and LinkedIn Premium for free 12 months using the official student offer. No hack, no fake misleading claim, just a real honest guide and easy to follow. Let's start the video.
TechPolestar is your trusted source for verified digital tools. We deliver premium digital products at affordable prices with instant access and 24/7 support. Enjoy a secure, seamless, and worry-free shopping experience. Visit techpolestar.com today for reliable digital solutions at unbeatable value.
Here you can see this is the official offer from Microsoft. I will give this link in this video description and in a first pinned comment also. So simply visit there. And don't worry if you don't have a edu email, then directly visit this website techpolestar.com. You can direct buy Microsoft 365 account. So after visit this link, click on this sign up button. Simply click on this sign up button. Now you need to log in your Outlook email. Here you can see the official offer detail, Microsoft 365 Premium and for 12 months for free, and included for 1 to 6 people, sign in to 5 devices at once, and up to 6 TB secure cloud storage, 1 TB per person. And now you need to add your payment detail. You can add PayPal, credit or debit card or Venmo or Google Pay. I already added my credit card in this account. Here you can see added, confirm subscription. Now here you can see student discount. Just type here your edu email. After the add the payment detail, type here your email address which is provided by your college, or click on this verify a student email. Here you can see we have sent a verification link to your email address. Here you can see Microsoft Academic Verification Service. Navigate to complete verification. Click on this and the link will be automatically expire if not used within 5 days. Here you can see take advantage of your academic status, profile information and security check, and congratulations, your academic verification is successful. Now we are in checkout page. Here you can see a notification your student status has been successfully verified. So after the verified your educational benefit, click on this start trial and pay later, because this is free for 1 year and total starting on 21 March 2027 and total due $0. Click on this start try. Here you can see getting ready the Microsoft 365 Premium. And thank you for starting your 12-month free trial of Microsoft 365 Premium. Click on this get started. it takes few time, depends upon your internet speed. Click on this, simply close this, got it. And from here you can directly install any desktop app. Here you can see install desktop app. Let me show you my subscription, and here you can see also email address. I use same email address. Here you can see Outlook, but in this browser it getting few error, so I tried in new tab. Here you can see manage subscription 321.27. So now I can enjoy Microsoft 365 for 1 year completely free. You can also buy Microsoft 365 or another tools from techpolyster.com. I will give this website link in this video description. For premium private content that is not available on YouTube and few things I can't discuss publicly, join our WhatsApp group and Telegram channel. Links are in the video description. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the 𝐓𝐰𝐢𝐭𝐴 YouTube channel for more simple, honest and free deal like this. Hit the like button and turn on bell so you never miss an update. And for even better deal and detailed guide, make sure to visit techpolyster.com. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.